Hey beautiful people, how are you this afternoon? Madonna here. Just a question that I got asked, which was, and I thought I'd quickly answer since my client's running a few minutes late. Hi Madonna, have you ever helped someone who is allergic to cats and dogs? And the answer is yes. From a kinesiology perspective, the way that the immune system works, and you would have seen me using the immune points on people like Joy, and there's an energy mismatch circuitry. It's part of the NOT, neural organizational technique, balancing protocol that helps to pick up the immune system in relation to specific things. And that's from a combination of LEAP, the Learning Enhancement Acupressure Program, because we're telling the brain how to learn how to do something new, as well as NOT, because the neurology of the body is frightened of something. So when we're having an allergy, so just say I have an allergy to gluten, you don't, then what is it about my system that makes me overreact? It's like the immune system goes into hyperdrive like an ADHD child and just goes nuts about it, secreting all sorts of hormones. That why doesn't it happen to everyone? You know, and what a surprise, our immune systems are different. So anyway, cats and dogs. So there's obviously several things about that. There can be the species of the cats and dogs, the saliva of the cats and dogs. It can actually be something within their microbiome on their tongue and their skin and their fur. It can be their hair. It can be all sorts of things. So with the kinesiology, you can start to nut that out. Then in the background, I use homeopathic drops that help to boost the immune system to start to recognize some of those things that are hyperactive in your immune system in relation to cats and dogs. So therefore, you know, there's several ways I sort of do things. And then also, if you're hyperallergic, what's happening? Are you getting welts? Are you getting hives? Are you getting itchy? So there's that high histamine level. So sometimes really flooding the body with vitamin C. So, and it's funny, I get abused regularly for recommending vitamins, minerals, nutrients, because, you know, hey, they can't possibly do anything. But I've seen this work over and over again over the years. So, you know, whatever, I've been doing this nearly 30 years. So basically with vitamin C, if you take a good quality buffered vitamin C up to bowel tolerance and then sort of bring it down a fraction, that's the level you need in order to start coming down the histamine levels in your body. So, you know, there's a few things I do. So yes, I do kinesiology. Yeah, I use homeopathics, and yes, I use a lot of naturopathy, and it gets a bit different from people, but you need to calm down the T helper 2 cells, which are overloaded when we're getting allergies. You need to boost the T helper 1 cells, and you need to balance the gut flora as well. So there's specific immune system boosting probiotics as well. So allergies to cats and dogs, absolutely. Have a great day.